こんにちは、てるみです。In this video, I'm going to demystify kanji, Chinese character in Japanese language. Today's featured kanji is genki. Genki means vitality, good health. Genki-na means healthy and cheerful. Genki-na-ko means perky kid or young adult boy or girl. Ko means child, but we also called younger person than ourselves ko. For example, あの子 means that boy or that girl. Genki, if it's a question, it means how are you in casual way. And you can answer with 元気 casual way. Polite way is はい元気です I'm good. But actually, we don't really ask how are you in general. We usually ask genki to the person who hasn't met for a while. I will talk more detail in another video, so please check it out later. The video link will appear here. Gen means primary, origin, head, and right. This character originally came from the idea it represents a man wearing a crown. And the head is the most important part of human, so it indicates the meaning of primary. It's also pronounced as gan. Gantan is New Year's Day, January 1st. This kanji indicates meaning of morning, because this character represents sun. When itself, it's pronounced as hi. Hi means sunshine. So this represents sun rises from the horizon. So that Gantan originally meant morning of New Year's Day. It's also pronounced as moto. Moto means origin, beginning, and ex. Motokare means ex-boyfriend. Motokano means ex-girlfriend. Motokare is the short version of motokareshi. Motokano is the short version of motokanojo. In general, kare and kanojo mean male person, female person. For example, あの彼、あの彼女 means that guy, that woman. But we often use them the meaning of boyfriend, girlfriend. 彼 or 彼氏 is boyfriend. 彼女 is girlfriend. Ki has many meanings: air, atmosphere, spirit, mind, and life energy. This is the original character of Ki. This part represents swell-up cloud in the sky, so it indicates the heavens, and this part represents rice. Rice is our staple food in Japan, so that we take in energy from rice. Also, it indicates radiating energy to all directions. In contrast, current version of this character, this indicates keep in, because it came from the word shimeru, which means close. So this ki indicates keep in the energy. Ki is very important element for Asian culture. We had influenced it by Feng Shui from China. We believe changing out the air and cleaning home improve flow of the energy. Feng Shui represents wind and water. Kaze is wind. Mizu is water. And it indicates flowing wind and water. I will paste the link description below for more information about Feng Shui. So please check it out if you are interested in it. Another usage of this character is Kimochi. Kimochi means feeling, feelings. Motsu is the original form of verb mochi, which means have, hold. This character represents two hands and plant, and it indicates hold. Kimochi includes the meaning of emotion, affection, sentiment, and sensation. Similar word is kibun. Kibun means mood, temper. This character indicates share, divide. It represents katana, sword, and cut things into two pieces by sword. It's also pronounced as hun when we use this word for counting minutes. We also pronounce it as pun in some cases, like 1分, 2分, 3分. Let's go back to genki. So gen and ki combined together, it indicates the meaning of primary vitality, genki. I wish everyone good health. それでは皆さんお元気で。Take care. If you like this lesson, please like this video and be sure to subscribe so you will not miss my future lessons. Thank you for watching on Japanese Conversation with Terumi. See you soon. さようなら。